everyone, it's Miss Rodriguez and I'm gonna very quickly be showing you guys how to add 3 numbers. Okay, I'm only gonna show you guys using 2 different strategies. So if you have any questions after this video, please feel free to just call me, text me, shoot me a message on Seesaw. So I'll go ahead and start off with models. So the very first number I'm going to be adding is 36 plus 24 plus 52. What I like to do, so I make sure that I'm thorough and that my work is well thought out, is I like to add just the first 2 numbers and then I add that last number. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I have my hundreds, tens, ones, and my first number is 36 and my next number is 24. So I have no hundreds here, but I do have 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm adding 24 to that. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So first I'm going to go ahead and combine these 2 amounts before I add on my last number. And again, it's just to be sure that I'm taking my time and making sure I'm doing everything correctly. So I start off by adding up my ones. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So since I was able to build a 10 and I have nothing left over, I have a 0 and I'll do it in a different color like I did on the last video. I'll go ahead and add that 10 to my tens place. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, or 6 tens. So far, as of right now, I have 60, but now I need to go ahead and add in that last number, which is 52. So I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing. I'm going to go ahead and add 60 plus 52, and I'm going to have my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. I have no hundreds here, just have 6 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 0 ones, and then I have 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 2. Now I can go ahead and start combining these 2 numbers. So I obviously have 2 ones, and then I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So in this case, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, I'm left with 1 10, and I always like to circle it so it really stands out. So I have 1 10 left, and because I'm carrying over to my hundreds place, because I had 10 tens that made the 100, I like to do it in a different color. I have 1 right there. So my answer is 112, and I can go ahead and circle that. Now I can come and show you using standard algorithm, which I know most of you guys like to use. This one's probably going to go a little bit quicker. Let me go ahead and get started. It's going to be the same thing where I add the first 2 numbers first. So I'm going to go ahead and add 36 plus 24. Please keep in mind the ones need to be lined up, tens need to be lined up. If they're not lined up, it's going to be confusing for you. 6 plus 4 is 10, so 0, carry my 1, 3, 4, 5, plus that 1 more is 6, and you can compare it with this 60 over here, kind of matched up. Then I take that 60 and I add my 52. Again, everything's lined up. 0 plus 2 is 2, 6 plus 5 is 11, and then I can either carry the 1 or I can just add it right there. There is my answer. You are able to do it whichever way you choose, whatever is easiest for you. Okay?